Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to enable double encryption at rest for managed disk. Let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and so this Azure Disk Storage supports double encryption at rest for managed disk. Okay, so when we go into the portal, I will have to first create a disk encryption set. So I'll click on create a resource. I will do disk encryption set. I'll hit create. I'll create a new resource group. And I will do it in West US 2. You see this option, double encryption with platform manage and customer manage keys. I will select this option. If you have a key vault, select that key vault. If you don't have an existing key vault, click on create a key vault. Key vault name. Test other one. Standard 7. Access policy. Default. It is running the validation. Click on create. And click on here, so you do not have the existing key, so you'll create a new key. You will see, type in this, set the default options, and click on next, review create. It is running the final validation. You click on create. It's initializing the deployment. And the deployment is in progress. I'll pause the video and come back. Okay, now if I come to the disks and you click on this disk, you click on encryption. Okay, I have to stop the VM. I'm sorry. Go to your VM. Stop this VM. It will be stopped. Okay, it is stopped now. I'll go to disk. Click on it. Encryption. Change it to double encryption with platform managed keys. You select the disk encryption set. You click on save. And that is how we have enabled double encryption at rest on our Azure managed disk. I hope this was useful for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.